Want a quick and easy tip to boost your fresh greens and vegetables? Well, let me tell you about our greens. Start with a beautiful glass of fresh and pure water. And next, you're going to take only 1 teaspoon of Supercharged Food's greens. Our greens blend includes barley grass, wheatgrass, spirulina, chlorella, yerba mate, matcha green tea, kelp, gotu kola, and red seaweed. So all of the amazing alkaline foods that are going to cleanse and purify your body. Plus, we've added in some pea protein to help you build lean muscle mass and help you with your body composition, as well as some adaptogenic mushrooms. We also have some ashwagandha, some organic beetroot powder, some echinacea, some sea buckthorn, ginkgo as well, and some herbs that will help to heal your gut: turmeric, holy basil, and prebiotic fibers and digestive enzymes. So this is the perfect way to boost your greens and just to boost your gut health overall. Try our greens today.